महाराष्ट्राचे पर्यावरण मंत्री आदित्य ठाकरे गोवा टायगर कप 2022 सर्तीचे नावेली उक्तावण केले। आपल्या खेळामळाचेर नवी संस्कृताय हाडपाची गरज आसा आनी ती गावांतल्यान सुरू जावपाक जाय अशें आदित्य ठाकरेन ह्या वेळार सांगले। चडांत चड खेळगड्यांनी येवन ह्यांनी वेवसायीक नदरेन खेळचे, हौस म्हणून न्हय अशें तांचें म्हणणें।
Pleasure being here. Coming to Goa and not looking at football is obviously very difficult, and we thought that with the Goa Tiger Cup we should start off with a new initiative, an inter-village initiative, bringing all footballers together, bringing all sports persons together. And when that happens, really the spirit of our country goes to a new high. With me is Chhatrapati Maloji Raje, who's also a colleague of mine at the Western India Football Association, Uday Samanji, who is a minister in Maharashtra, colleague of ours, Akash Timroji. All of us are wanting to build a new culture for sports. I think the new culture has to start off in our villages, and this is where we start off with the Goa Tiger Cup. I think we're here to hear you roar. More than us speaking, we're looking forward to looking at our champions on ground, and not just winning for Goa.